Why is it so important to save money? And which options do you have? Learn 11 reasons in today's video. Hello and welcome to the Business Class, your YouTube channel, where you learn all about the topic money. Although money and wealth are not everything, you barely get anywhere without in our modern-day society. Seemingly everyone nowadays wants to be rich, famous and live a life in wealth, but of course not everyone will manage to do so. However, if you are determined, focused and working hard, you will be able to achieve your goals. So do no longer waste your potential, do no longer wait for your luck to happen from alone. Improve yourself every single day and you will soon start to see the fruits of your success. With my videos, I want to provide you with motivation, knowledge and inspiration, so that you can reach your goals as fast as possible and make the best out of your life. If you have general interest in content about topics like make money online, stocks, luxury and lifestyle, subscribe to the channel and press the bell button, to not miss a single video. Also write a comment with your suggestions and wishes, which content you would like to see more often. And now let's start. 11 essential reasons why you should save money. Knowing the importance of money can be a life lesson that will give you many benefits throughout your life, ensuring financial freedom. However, many people do not know how to save their hard-earned money because saving does not bring them the same enjoyment as spending money. Saving, simply said, is putting money aside for emergencies or for future purchases. In economic terms, saving means spending less in the present in order to increase consumption in the future. However, having savings has a number of other benefits, such as financial independence and avoiding debt. Know the importance of saving money. Here are some of the top reasons why you should saving money today. Financial independence. One of the most important reasons to save money is to gain financial freedom. This means that you don't have to depend entirely on your monthly salary to maintain your current lifestyle. You can have the peace of mind to make major life decisions such as changing jobs, planning vacations, getting married, starting a business or even retiring. Financial independence allows you to make these important life decisions without stress. Living debt-free. If you want to get out of debt, you need to save regularly each month. Relying on credit cards for all your expenses can get you into serious trouble. You need to set aside some money each month to pay off your credit card bills and avoid high penalties in the form of late fees and fines. You can rely on credit cards to cover your monthly expenses, but it is vital that you pay them off on time each month and not accumulate debt in the long run. By relying on savings for these peripheral expenses, you can save a lot of money by foregoing the use of credit cards and remaining debt-free for life. Unforeseen expenses. Whether it's health problems, a car malfunction, home repairs, or family events, we are always faced with unforeseen expenses knocking on our door. Having some savings in your bank account can help you manage these unexpected expenses more carefully. There is no better way to prepare for these expenses than to have some savings. Instead of borrowing money from friends and family, you need to have emergency funds available. Creating a regular emergency fund will also help you keep a budget and keep track of your monthly expenses. Buying a home. One of the most important financial decisions people make is to buy their own home. However, even with a mortgage loan, a down payment of a portion of the cost of the home is required. This is about 10 to 20% of the total purchase price, and only then will the bank consider lending the remaining amount. Only if you have sufficient savings can you pay this amount. Also, if you can pay part or all of the mortgage yourself, you can save a lot of money on mortgage interest, which you can then use to move, renovate, or furnish the interior. Buying a car or other big-ticket purchase. To buy a new car or other expensive item, you need to set aside a certain amount of money. Saving money will save you from having to work for years to pay the high interest to buy a new car. Ideally, you should save some money first and then plan your expenses. Paying it forward also gives you more discounts and more bargaining power, such as on cars. In the long run, it frees households from the monthly EMI method, which can be a burden on the family budget. Medical emergencies. Whether we like it or not, life brings contingencies related to health problems and medical emergencies. Ideally, an emergency fund should be established to cover medical and related expenses. This money should not be spent on other things, but only on emergencies. Illness can happen at any time, and it is always better to be prepared than to worry later about money or the quality of treatment for lack of sufficient funds. A little hint for you: if the content of the video is important to you and you want to benefit from it in the future, you can easily save the video to your playlist or click on Watch Later, so that you can watch it again at any time you want. Or, if you don't watch this video as a logged-in member, just save the video as a bookmark in your browser, to always have easy access to it. Planning your retirement. Gone are the days of retiring at 60. Today's generation wants to work hard for a few years, save enough money and retire early to enjoy life. So saving money and creating a nest egg will ensure that you can retire when you want to. Set a goal for yourself, work hard to reach that number, and then decide if you want to work or do something else with your life. Building a college fund for your children. Higher education has become very expensive. If you intend to support your children until they graduate, you should create a savings fund for them. Saving for university can be very expensive, but it is not impossible, especially if you start early when your child is young. It is also an effective way to teach your child to save money. You can also contribute to the university fund by working part-time, applying for scholarships, and doing work. Traveling. Traveling is also a way to experience a new culture, cuisine, and solve people's problems. However, a trip to another country can cost thousands of dollars. If you like to live in luxury hotels or travel a lot, it will cost you even more. Saving money for travel is one of the best things you can do. If you know where you are going, it is important to estimate the cost of your trip and save accordingly. Investment. Economists believe that you should make your money work for you. Putting your money in a savings account or in a bank can help you get higher returns and make your money grow. Investing in long-term plans, strategies and programs can help you easily withstand the rising costs of inflation. By limiting unnecessary expenses and developing a monthly savings plan, you can earn higher interest and interest income on top of your paycheck. Living worry-free. Finally, you should be able to live a worry-free life. If you don't want to constantly jeopardize your life choices, it's best to set up a savings fund and make regular contributions. The importance of saving money is simple. It allows you to enjoy more security in life. Having money saved will provide you with peace of mind in difficult circumstances. Having money at your disposal allows you to take more risks, such as starting a new business or taking a vacation. If you don't have to worry about money all the time, you can lead a stress-free life. Saving money without spending it is easier said than done. However, having some savings will give you incomparable confidence to make wise decisions in life. If you're not already in the habit of setting aside a portion of your paycheck, start small and try making a weekly or monthly savings plan. By reducing unnecessary expenses and making wiser choices, you can increase your bank balance. Having clear goals and objectives will help you save more. Look for reliable and reputable bank savings programs that offer higher interest rates and make regular contributions there. In the end, if you start saving money, it will allow you to live the right lifestyle. You can choose the job you want, start your own business, buy your dream home, or travel the world. Saving money can open up new opportunities in your life that would otherwise be difficult or impossible. Financial independence is a necessary part of a worry-free life. So don't wait until difficult situations arise, start saving today. And if one day, you want to build up your own business or you have one already and want it to grow much bigger and faster, always have in mind that starting a successful business and earning money takes time. You need perseverance and a lot of stamina. It's like you growing a small plant right from the seed. You never know how fast it will grow, how tall it will get, and how many fruits you will be able to collect. It is the same with every business. Some work great, some flop, and some could become very successful. But people way too often resign much too early. So follow my advices, try out different methods, and sooner or later, you will find the one that suits you the most, that fits best to your skills and knowledge, and you will have a well-earning business. No matter if you want to make money online, by affiliate marketing, drop shipping, or even stocks, everything is possible. And even though growing a business and making money can sometimes be a lengthy and tedious issue, it's all worth it at the end. Just stay focused to your goals, work smart and hard, spend your time and resources effectively, be persistent, and sooner or later, you will have success, you will reach your goals and earn enough money to live the life you ever dreamed of. I hope this video was helpful for you and I was able to impart knowledge to you, give you new ideas, or simply inspire and motivate you to change your life in a positive way. If so, please leave a like and write me your opinion and content requests in the comments. If you have general interest in content about topics like make money online, stocks, luxury and lifestyle, subscribe to the channel and press the bell button, to not miss a single video. Thank you very much for your interest and especially for your time. And hopefully, we see us in the next business meeting.